Hello, nieces and nephews. This is your Uncle Bill, and welcome to week 18, year 2020. This is the Bill Dube Variety Channel, where we cook, we camp, we create, we critique, and we climb. Climb is metaphorical for physical activity. This is recorded. Uncle Bill ain't here. I'm even going to put it in the thumbnail this week. Tell me what you think down below as far as me putting it in the thumbnail. Does that help? I hope so. Anyways, this week is Critique Week. And 5, not 10, but 5 crazy things from Uncle Bill's house. What are they? Let's look around. How about this fancy dancy candle? That's $1 over at the Dollar Tree. And there's another thing that Uncle Bill's been doing. He's been collecting stampers. Not stamps. Well, I collect those too, but stampers. I find that when you go to a thrift shop, a lot of times somebody's getting rid of a stamp. I've seen this stamp right here. I got this for $1, right? I've seen this very same stamp for sale up to $15 in the store, new. Now this thing stamps just as good as a new. So eat, play, and love. That's what Uncle Bill says. Collecting stampers. Imagine what I thought when I came across this for $1. Ooh. Oh! Didn't mean to do that. I was trying to get it so you could see them. We got all sorts of stamps there. Never give up. Gotta be me. Oh, and what got me started on this and getting the inexpensive ones, I lost one. No, I didn't lose one. There's one particular stamp that really goes near and dear to Uncle Bill's heart. See, Uncle Bill's a 28-year Navy veteran, and I spent a lot of time in the Navy, and they had stamps just like this, except when it was on a piece of paper from the Navy or anything from the government, when it had this little stamp, you could go to prison for taking it home. So I thought this was cool. Maybe I'll stamp this on yours. I'll send you a letter. Okay. That's more than 5, but I guess we'll just count the stampers as 1. How's that? I'm not sure if you saw it just recently, but I did post a little thing about flashlight competition. Here's one of the smallest, brightest little flashlights made. Watch this. See how bright? Look at Uncle Bill's face. That's bright. That little itty bitty thing. Isn't that great? I think I got this either at the AutoZone or Walmart. I'm leaning towards Walmart in the automotive section, but I can't remember for sure. Runs on a little flat cell battery. It's fun, cute. Has magnet too. If you need to do a little bit of hammering from the Dollar Tree, not bad. For $1. This one's from the dollar store. I can't remember if I paid only $1 or $2.99 for it, but it's a cell phone stand. Let's see if I can get. It has 2 angles, a low angle and a high angle about this high. So that's kind of nice. You can also use this for a tablet, but you can't use little bands to secure the tablet in because there's no way they're going to stretch that far. This I purchased these over in the school supply section. This is for anybody who reads a lot or has textbooks and isn't totally on Kindle. All these are what's called note flags. These things used to cost a fortune, but now you can get them in the Dollar Tree. And you just take these little things, you stick them onto a piece of paper, and ooh, somebody should sign Uncle Bill's thumb right there. Sign it. It's good. A strap, which you can also use as a belt. Got these over at Amazon. 4 for under $10, and I think they are 60 inches. If anybody has any questions, she's chiming in.
I don't know that.
I forgot to turn her off. I have that keyword on my Kindle instead of Alexa. Instead of having Alexa, I have Amazon. So whenever I say that, my Kindle starts to think, oh, there's a command coming. Well, let me know what you think. This is Critique Week. I'm going to have at least one thing on Friday. Every day this side of the dirt is a great day. Thanks for coming. Go out and have some fun and stay COVID safe. Thank you.